Hi friends, good evening. In this video, we'll see my theory on gravity and how it works and related aspects. So, what is my theory on gravity? Before we see that, I just want to tell the what one of my friend asked me the question. He has asked me, Earth is round. How we can walk? The surface is round. How we can walk on that? Why we are not falling from the earth to the space? Why we are not falling to the space while we are walking? So most of you know, it's very simply it's because of gravity. So he asked me, so how we are? I have told him the same because of gravity. Then he has asked me like I didn't understand anything like that. He has asked me, so just explain this part. So just want to break this into a few parts. So I'll try to finish this as soon as possible too. So first thing what I told him is Earth's atmosphere. Why when we throw something, why it is coming back to Earth? Right? When I throw something, and it is coming back from the sky to the again to the Earth. This is called as gravity in basic terms. So what I have told him is when you have a magnet and when you have a magnetic waste, most of you guys know what is magnetic waste. It's a black color thing that you will get it in the soil. So magnetic waste. I think many would have played with it, so most of you would aware of it. So when you use that the thing, when you place the magnet and when you throw the surface of a plain paper, considering a complete paper, so magnetic particle, everything will not get attracted towards it, but it will have the certain sphere or certain space till which all that magnetic dust or magnetic waste will be attracted towards the magnet. So how I'm just relate this with the gravity, considering Earth as a magnet. When you consider Earth as a magnet, you are throwing something from the Earth. So when the waste is away from the magnet too, it will get attracted till it has that field. Till when it has that magnetic field, it will get attracted in the sphere of or in the space of where the field is there, magnetic field is there. And if it is going away from that, there won't be any field, so it will not come back. So it is as simple as this. So when we throw something or when a rocket launch also happens, till the top sphere, Earth will be in direction towards attraction of the Earth. But after the sphere, it will be the field won't be there, so there will be no opposition. So this is my first concept. And second concept is when we most of you studied this, when electric current is passed through in the magnet, in the paper, because of the electromagnetic field present in the current, this thing will be aligned. The magnetic waste will be aligned in a circular way. So this is because of the magnetic field, electromagnetic field. Hope you got that thing. So it's similarly because of the attraction. When we see in that theory or in the practical thing, it will be sticking in the state. It doesn't lay down or doesn't fall. Means it will have its gravity, or it will have its attraction towards the field, or towards the magnet. Similarly here too, as we have the attraction to the earth, as earth is a conductor and we are the conductor, earth is having very high electromagnetic power, and we too have that electromagnetic power. We tend to attract to the earth. So that's the reason we are able to walk on the earth. We are not falling, or not living the not falling to the space. We could able to walk on the earth. This is my concept. If you guys any comments, you can leave it to me. Thank you. We'll see in another video about something else. Bye.